In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Uber Eats order history. If you've ever found yourself browsing through your past food orders and thought, I really don't need this reminder of all the late night snacks I've indulged in, you're not alone. While Uber Eats does not provide a direct option to delete order history, there are a few workarounds to manage your account privacy that we're going to explore. First and foremost, it's important to understand why Uber Eats retains your order history. Uber uses this data to improve recommendations and streamline future orders. However, if your priority is privacy, there are steps you can take to safeguard your information. Though you can't delete order history directly, you can manage the information associated with your account. Your journey will start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where your order history resides. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will lead you to the account settings, the place where all your personal information is stored. Within this menu, find and select Settings. This area contains all the options you need to manage your account privacy. Within the Settings menu, you're going to locate the Privacy section, which is crucial for controlling the information associated with your account. Tap on it, and you'll see various privacy-related options. While there isn't a dedicated feature to delete order history, what you can do is contact Uber support for further assistance regarding data privacy. Now, head over to the Help section from the side menu. Here, you'll find options to contact Uber directly. Look for a category related to account and payment options or anything similar. From there, you can either call support or send them a message. It's a good idea to prepare a clear request outlining that you wish to manage or remove certain aspects of your account information. Uber's customer service might not delete your order history outright, but asking them about privacy management options may lead to potential solutions or peace of mind regarding your data. Additionally, consider periodically clearing your app cache, which, although it won't erase your order history, it does help in freeing up space and can possibly clear previous searches. You can do this by going to your device settings, find the Uber Eats app, and clear its cache. And there you have it, a practical approach to handling your Uber Eats order history. While a direct delete option isn't available, managing your privacy settings and reaching out to support are effective steps to take. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.